is everything. Is everything. What is meant to be will be.
Hey y'all, so I'm coming through Millie rocking. So as you guys can see, my hair was in a bun and my hair is full of gel and dirty. So I'm going to be using the Pink Luster Lotion Shea Butter Coconut Oil line. It is for natural textured hair. I got this at the World Natural Hair Show. So I'm first starting off by rinsing all of the gel out of my hair. I do have low porosity hair, which means it takes a while for moisture to get into my strands. So I'm just rinsing my hair really well. And sorry if the lighting goes in and out on this video. I don't know what was going on with my camera while I was filming this, but yes. So going in with the shampoo from the line, I'm just gonna apply like a quarter size amount. I'm gonna start off with like my roots, but my hair is on the shorter side, so it usually goes all the way up to my strands, which is fine with me because I do want to get my hair super clean because I had gel all through my hair. And then I like to massage, I can't even talk, I like to massage my scalp, get the hair stimulated, get my hair follicles stimulated and everything like that. And this shampoo has a really nice lather. It smells really good, but it is a bit on the drying side. I noticed that right away. But I have to say it did cleanse my scalp and my hair really well, but it is a little bit stripping. So hard not to say pink lotion, but I'm going in with the Luster's Pink conditioner from their Shea Butter Coconut Oil line, and I will be applying it to my hair to go ahead and see how this is going to work. Now I cannot stand water in my face, but this is just what it looks like. I forgot to show you guys what the shampoo looks like, but the line all smells the same, so I really do like the smell. The only thing is the conditioner felt really good on my hair. It's just that like after you rinse it, my hair was feeling really dry, and I'm assuming it's from the coconut oil because I do not use coconut oil on my hair. It dries out my hair. But I really wanted to try out this line, but like I said, when you first put it on, it feels so nice and soft, but when I like rinsed it out, I don't know, it just made my hair feel a little dry. And if you guys are wondering, like when my hair has gel in it, I don't detangle my hair in the shower. I just wash it because I'm not gonna detangle with gel in my hair like that. That's gross. But anyways, so this is what my hair looks like after I rinsed the conditioner out. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take a t-shirt because that's what I like to dry my hair with, because towels tend to get snagged on my hair. So I just do it this way. And then I usually detangle my hair once I get out of the shower. This is just what I've been doing currently at the moment. It just works best for my hair. So yeah, so I'm taking the leave-in conditioner from this line. So I really do like this leave-in conditioner. It smells amazing, just like the shampoo and conditioner, and it has a lot of slip. So it was really easy for me to detangle my hair once I got out of the shower. So yeah, I really like the leave-in conditioner. It's bomb. I'm just getting my little single strand knots and shed hair together as I go. That's what I typically just do. I do not wash my hair in sections at the moment because my hair is still on the shorter side. There's no need for me to do that. So I know someone's gonna ask. I do have the rest of the hair products for this line, so if you guys would like to see a hair tutorial using them, let me know in the comments below. This is just what my hair is looking like so far. I gotta let the leave-in conditioner get into my strands a little bit more. But I hope you all enjoyed this mini wash day routine review. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.